We're in Poland. It is here, near the woods and mountains, that you should look for the origins of Nowy Styl. This is also where furniture is made with a single purpose in mind: to boost your comfort, whether you're working, traveling, or having fun anywhere in the world. In the wood processing plant, we produce the first elements of the future furniture, giving a new and important function to the precious wood. We process the wood, polish it, cover it with varnish, and let it dry. While doing all this, we remember that the material should be treated with proper respect and that it should serve people for years to come. Once ready, the components are taken to our other processing plants. The modern Nowy Styl machine park includes 3 processing plants, a research and development center, as well as storage facilities for materials and finished products. We have designed this place to be able to facilitate shipments and ensure efficient logistics. That's how we save time and minimize the environmental impact. It is here, in the Research and Development Center, that our experts come up with and test ingenious new products and solutions. They create products, make sure that they can be pushed to mass production, implement new products, and modify the existing ones. They organize numerous tests and monitor the quality, safety, and endurance of our furniture before it's released to the clients. We also test the implementation of new tooling, such as injection molds. In the chair and armchair factory, we come up with dozens of seat types to expand the impressive Nowy Styl portfolio. We already have such a wide choice of fabrics in our warehouse that we could use them to cover the entire National Stadium or Piazza San Marco in Venice. The factory employs hundreds of people who are busy each day sewing the minute elements together. Sometimes, choosing the right color is a real challenge. But for us, it's not a problem, because we have as many as 1,687 upholsteries on offer, and the thread range is as many as 220 colors, so you can choose as much as you like. 12,000 tons. This is how much steel we process each year in our metal processing factory. Some of the work is automated and done by machines, for example, laser cutters. We still need our experienced specialists to make sure that the steel elements of chairs, desks, and other furniture conform to the highest quality standards. The press presses and punches parts of complicated shapes out of sheet steel. It has a pressure of 1.5 tons and 30 strokes per minute. The press was already installed here before the hall was built, so we had to adapt to its placement. This is the heart of the metal processing plant. We are on the way to completely eliminating the foil used in the plant, in the transport of components in the plant, storage and delivery to the customer. Over the past 3 years, we have reduced our foil consumption by an average of 8.16 tons per year. There is a production improvement center at the metal processing plant, which introduces new employees to their daily duties, but also improves existing processes and trains the factory staff on an ongoing basis. The production process at the office furniture factory starts with the customer. They configure the order, which goes straight into the machine software. Our office furniture factory is one of the most modern facilities of its kind in Europe. Our staff manage and oversee the operation of the machinery. They monitor each stage of the process, from managing the furniture board warehouse to components production to the assembly. This is where up to 8,000 components are made each day. Pieces from different orders and even different products are cut out of a single format. The aim is to optimize the use of raw material. The various components enter the production line, and only the sorter, a device that catches the individual parts of a piece of furniture, groups them together so that a complete set of parts arrives at the assembly. It is up to the customer to decide how to pack the order, whether the assembled products are wrapped in a reusable blanket or the components to be assembled in a flat cardboard parcel. Production at the office furniture factory is just as efficient when fulfilling an order for a single product as it is for 100 identical pieces of a given model. This is the journey our products make before they can be shipped to more than 100 countries all over the world. They are made to boost your comfort and ergonomics. You will see them in the office, at stadiums, airports, healthcare centers, or even at home. Let's make your space together.